Another race here at Daytona. We're through a couple of hours now. We had something we needed to check on the car, which took us a little bit of time, but this is the time of the race to do this. It dropped us back, but the car is running well, so long race to come.
We are a lap down. They did a little mistake and overtook under yellow, so we had to drive through. And we struggled a little bit with the heat, but as the sun goes down, we might find some more pace. Everything is possible. We just have to fight through the end and see what we can do.